Hi guys, happy Thursday. I am in the middle of a lot of day job work, so I've got to hurry and do this before the trades end, the trading day ends. But let me show you what's going on. Today is Thursday. First of all, we're looking at Aussie CAD, and this is a trade that was already opened. You can see that we bought it yesterday. And it's about 7 pips in the hole with the 2 trades that are open. However, all of our indicators are still showing positive for the buy. So we've got our super trend above the baseline, ash, you don't need to worry about volume, our Heikinashi, our BBPRC, and our RVI. So we're just going to let that cook for a little while longer. The next one is the Aussie Kiwi. Okay, so this one was also opened yesterday, or the day before, I guess. We opened with a buy, and it's coming back down on us. However, let's look at our indicators. Super trend still says buy, price is still above the baseline, our ash indicator still says a buy. So now let's look at our exits. RVI still indicates a buy. BBPRC still above the yellow line, so that's a buy. And our Heikinashi also. So we're leaving this one be as well. The next one is Canadian yen. Okay, so this is the one that's just been going great guns. This is the one that I keep pulling my stop loss down to lock in pips. And I really thought yesterday we were going to be taken out. Because if you recall, at the end of the day, it was going up a little bit. But I brought my stop loss down to there, so that if it did continue to go up, I would lock in certain pips. And look, it just turned right around and kept on going. So because this is really getting up there again, this is not a no-nonsense technique. I'm telling you that flat out. But if you look at all of our indicators, okay, first of all, super trend down, below the baseline, ash, Heikinashi down. Our BBPRC is down, and RVI. So there is not a single indicator that is telling me to get out of this, but I would like to lock in some of those pips. So I'm going to bring it down there. So that's locking in about 340 pips. Right now we're at 373. So about 30 some pips that I would be giving back if it goes against me. But I'd rather, maybe I'll just pull it down just a little bit. Okay, so that's now 350 even. Okay, so 350, it's about 22 pips that I would be giving back, but I'd rather do that and sleep rather than thinking I was going to give them all back. So that's what I did there. Adjusted in, pulled in my trailing stop loss even closer. And again, that's not per se an actual no-nonsense Forex technique, but it's just one I like to do. The last one that we have open right now is our Swissy yen. And let me get over there, bring it up for you. Okay, as you can see, we sold it there, and what did it do? Of course, it went up. I was a little worried about it yesterday because it did cross over the baseline, but it didn't close there. So we still consider price to be under the baseline. So this one is down about 28 pips for both open trades. Let's take a look. Okay, the first thing we do is our trend is still going down. Price is below baseline. Ash is congruent. We don't need our volume. Heikinashi is still down. Boy, that's a short little sucker, but he's still down. Our BBPRC is below the line, and our RVI is still down. So in this case, we're just going to let him ride as well. I wish we had a little bit more excitement today, but you know, not losing money and letting things ride is okay by me. So there's a couple of new opportunities today. So let's take a look at those. The first one is the Aussie Swissy. I couldn't think of the word there. Okay, so here we can see that we've been in a downtrend for a while. Okay, so our super trend is down, our price is below, our ash is down. Okay, let's get rid of our exits. We don't need those except for our Heikinashi. And we don't really need volume either, but we do have it. So in this case, I look for continuation trades anytime there's a change in color in either my ash or my Heikinashi. And in this case, our Heikinashi changed. So that to me would indicate a sell. And when you're doing continuation, you don't have to worry about the distance or the volume as much. Let me pull that down a little. Let me just see how far it is, because it's pretty far. Okay, so the ATR is 70 and the distance is 152. That is pretty far. So actually, you know what? I think I'm going to opt not to take this trade. Only because we only have that one continuation indication, and it is very far, even though we're not supposed to have to worry about that for continuations. And look, and we're not supposed to worry about our volume either, but look at that volume. I may regret it, but that's okay. Better safe than sorry. And the last one today that I'm considering is Great Britain Kiwi. So let's bring that one up. Okay, so here we have another long time uptrend. Our super trend's up, and here we can see our ash changed color. Now, I really like it when I see the price come down and touch that baseline and bounce back up. So that's a little bit different situation than the last one we looked at. But not only do we have ash changing color, look at this, we have our Heikinashi changing color as well. Now, we don't have to worry about volume, but I'm just going to take a peek anyway. Yeah, volume is not really there. But again, since this is a continuation trade, I'm not going to let that stop me. So I'm going to buy. There we go. Okay, so I did that. Well, there you have it. Those are the trades I decided to take today. Tomorrow is Friday. So we'll see what happens before going into the weekend. As always, I hope you guys are having a great trading week. And we'll see you tomorrow.